Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making a simple and delicious pasta salad. Let's get cooking. To start, add in a pound of cooked rotini pasta. Follow that with some diced red onions. Next, toss in some diced celery with a handful of halved cherry tomatoes. After that, add in some diced green pepper. Now toss in a can of sliced black olives, followed by some cubed cheese. Then go in with some diced salami. After that, add a dash of Italian seasoning, followed by a pinch of pepper. Top it off with a light drizzle of Olive Garden Italian dressing. Now mix everything together until it's well combined. After that, add a little more dressing if needed, and stir everything together one more time. Once it's mixed, cover and refrigerate for about an hour or until it's nice and cold. And now it's all done and ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.